In many companies, the great potential of good tool organization has long been overlooked. Tools and their tool data are essential for productive machine tools and stable machining processes. With ever smaller batch sizes and an increasingly diverse range of components, an increasing number of orders have to be processed, requiring more orders to be prepared and components to be programmed. Short spindle running times are a clear indication of a deficit in work organization. If there is no clear structure and order when dealing with cutting tools, skilled workers waste a lot of time on unproductive searches and research for tool data and process parameters in catalogs or online shops. For decades, companies have only focused on ensuring the availability of tool components via simple tool dispensing systems or staffed tool preparation. With a variety of tools from different tool specialists, comparable tools from different manufacturers exist 2, 3, or more times. Ensuring the availability of tools through high stock levels inevitably leads to high tool costs with enormous capital commitment and lower liquidity. If every employee can simply draw from a large pool of tools to produce a new part, the variety of tools grows infinitely. A lot of money is then tied up in more expensive tools, many of which are hidden away in cupboard drawers and machine magazines. Nowadays, it is important to have a holistic point of view onto the organization of tools. More specifically, this means that tool components, tool holders, and tools are defined and specified in their assembled state. All of this can be organized with a central tool management system. At first glance, this may sound more complicated than it is. However, each tool only needs to be entered into the EvoTools tool database once with relatively little information in order to use it for many purposes. Additionally, we have clever little helpers that can take over some of the work. This means that EvoTool organization digitally maps your entire tool flow, from tool procurement, tool selection during programming, and simulation to measurement on the presetting device and tool use in the machines. Each tool element as well as the complete tool can be clearly identified with a tool number. These numbers are used everywhere, when ordering during the purchasing process, in warehouse management for tool dispensing, for CNC programming in NC code, when measuring tools for automated measurements, and in the machine tool when setting up the required tools. A complete tool is defined using a tool's parts list with its individual components. The complete tool's number is particularly important as it is used consistently in CNC programming, NC code simulation, and in the tool table in the machines. Our digital assistance systems allow employees to access tool information from anywhere, whether on a PC or tablet. The machining knowledge about tools, tool storage locations, and tool data is available to everyone. EvoTool organization provides you with a good structure and order within days or weeks. Tools that have not been needed for the production process for a long time are quickly discovered. Digitally connected, it promotes cross-departmental collaboration between all employees who deal with tools and tool data, from machine operators to purchasers. At the same time, you can take the opportunity to clearly define which tools are to be used with which tool technology in the future. Ultimately, this tool management system helps you to increase production output and machine more economically. We will be happy to advise you. We can show you how quick and easy it is to use tool management at live events. During a workshop at your company, we can address your individual situation and show you what potential lies dormant in your production. Every CNC production facility needs consistent and digital tool management in order to handle tools and tool information correctly. Using reliable information and data, the production potential of the machines can be better exploited and utilized. At the same time, tool standardization makes it possible to reduce the variety of tools with further positive effects.